Isixeko saseGoli siphawule ngokusesikweni ukugqitywa komsebenzi wolwakhiwo lebholorho yaseCanterbury eGalomena kummandla waseSandton. Ilungu lekomiti kasodolophu elijongene nemicimbi yezothutho kunye nendlela uCeba Kenny Kunene ukhokele umsitho wokutyhilwa kwale bholorho namhlanje ekuseni ngokubambisana nequmrhu lezendlela iJohannesburg Roads Agency.
Seliphothulwe ibhuloho ebelihlalisa umphakathi waseGalomena eCanterbury ngokwesaba. Leli bhuloho livulwe ngokuphelele ngoLwesibili kanti obhekelele zemigwaqo nezokuthutha kwikomiti likaMeya waseJohannesburg uthi-ke ugculisekile ngalomsebenzi.
The project was done within budget, within the time frame, and you would have heard that additional spec was added to the project because there was still money that was left in the project. So we had a construction company and a consultant who basically worked within that budget. You can see there's new KIs that have been constructed. The paveway, these were not part of the initial scope. And the community has been suffering before I came in for 4 years.
Kusenjalo umphathi omkhulu wenkampani yezemigwaqo iJRA uthi-ke uma kungaba khona isabelo mali esanele umsebenzi ofana nalona ungahlezi uqhubeka.
Yeah, we do have a lot of expertise in-house. If we can wake up one morning and have budget to do almost whatever is required, we won't fail. So sometimes the delays is because of the processes, the allocation. You must understand that we have different kinds of infrastructure and the city have got a lot of needs as well. So it's apportioned according to those kind of infrastructure. But we are glad and happy that we were allocated budget to be able to respond to this mess that was here. The infrastructure was old, but now for the next few years we know that we won't have to come here and maintain or do anything here.
Leli bhuloho bese kuphele iminyaka eyisithupha amalungu omphakathi ekhala ngokungaphephi kwalo ikakhulukazi uma kunetha izimvula ezidala izikhukhula.